How to clear your chat history in Microsoft Copilot application. Hello and welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you've finished old conversations or simply want a fresh start, Microsoft Copilot makes it easy to delete individual chats or clear your entire chat history. The first thing you want to do is to launch the Microsoft Copilot app open on your device and make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account. After you're inside from your chat page, go ahead and tap the menu button appearing at the top left corner, and then you'll see all of your previous conversations on the page. Now, locate the conversation you want to remove, press and hold it, and at the bottom you should see a delete button. Click on Delete Conversation to confirm, and the selected conversation will be deleted. If you want to remove all of your Copilot conversations at once, then from the same page go to the bottom left and tap on your name or your profile picture. Now once you're inside this Settings tab, tap on Account at the top, and inside Account select Privacy. Now under the Privacy section, click on this View, Export or Delete History button. It'll take you to a website on a new tab, and then you might need to log in with your Microsoft account's credentials to get to this page. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down from this same page and then find this Delete All Activity History option. Just tap on it and then click on Clear. Once you do that, your history has been cleared in your Copilot app. Now, if you get back to your Copilot app and look inside this page, you will see no history whatsoever. So that is how you can easily clear your history in Microsoft Copilot. It is a simple way to keep your chat list organized and protect your privacy whenever you need a fresh start. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.